Hello beautiful people, this plant is very medicinal. If you find this plant nearby, please try as much as possible to probably plant it very close to you. This is Cassia alata. The name is Cassia alata. It's very medicinal, very good for anything that has to do with infections. Okay, as it is, it's very edible, most especially the young ones. You can eat it. Okay, so I'm gonna get some of these leaves. Okay, it's usually it's still at the growing stage. When it's finished growing, it will have some flower, some yellowish flower around. Okay, so it's very medicinal. If you have any skin issue, anything infection, maybe eczema, ringworm, rashes, this is the leaf. This leaf is very powerful. The name once again is called Cassia alata. It's very edible. You can eat it like vegetable. Okay, so I'm going to get some of the fresh leaves. Okay, so let me just pluck some of it. I'm going to get some. Ooh, it's hard, but I think I'll just get some. Okay, so viewers, I've been able to get this. As you can see, these are the edible ones, the fresh ones. Okay, so watch out for more video. I will use it to prepare soup. The soup is very delicious. You can use it as vegetable. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.